a list of healthy foods with no carbs and no sugar. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of healthy living and nutrition. Today, we're going to discuss why it's important to eat healthy foods and the dangers of consuming foods high in carbs and sugar. Plus, stick around because we'll be sharing a list of 20 amazing healthy foods with no carbs and no sugar that you should definitely add to your diet. Whether you're on a low-carb diet, keto, or just trying to eat cleaner, this list is packed with nutrient-dense options that will keep you feeling great. Let's jump right in. Eating healthy foods is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Here's why. We all love a good burger and soda, right? But did you know that foods high in carbs and sugar can wreak havoc on our health? Let's break down why eating healthy is so important and the dangers lurking in high-carb and sugary foods. First off, our bodies need the right nutrients to function optimally. When we consume foods high in carbs and sugars, we're more likely to experience energy crashes, weight gain, and increased risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. High-carb and sugary foods cause spikes in our blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance over time. This means our bodies can't effectively use insulin to manage blood sugar, paving the way for type 2 diabetes. Not to mention, excess sugar is linked to inflammation, which can affect every organ in our body. Inflammation is a hidden culprit behind many chronic diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, and even certain cancers. Sugary foods can also contribute to unhealthy weight gain, especially around the belly, increasing the risk of cardiovascular issues. On the flip side, eating healthy foods helps maintain steady energy levels, supports weight management, and reduces the risk of chronic illnesses. Healthy foods nourish our bodies, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that keep us feeling vibrant and strong. Healthy eating isn't just about avoiding the bad stuff, it's about embracing the good stuff. When we make mindful food choices, we give our bodies the fuel they need to thrive. Benefits of healthy eating include improved mood, better brain function, stronger immunity, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Plus, healthy foods can help us look our best by improving skin health and promoting weight loss. Now, let's jump into our list of 20 fantastic foods with no carbs and no sugar that are both delicious and nutritious. Trust me, you're going to love these. Number 1. Kale. Kale is a leafy green powerhouse. It's rich in vitamins A, K, and C, full of antioxidants, and is also great for detoxifying your body. Kale is perfect for salads, smoothies, or even baked as chips. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein. They're also rich in essential nutrients like choline and vitamin D. Enjoy them scrambled, boiled, or poached for a nutrient-packed meal. Next on the list is pecan nuts. Pecan nuts are not only delicious, but also packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. They're perfect for snacking or adding a crunchy texture to your salads. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated to our latest health and nutrition tips. Number 4. Cheese. Cheese is a great source of protein and calcium, and it's incredibly versatile. From cheddar to mozzarella, there's a cheese for every taste. Just be mindful of your portions. 5. Chicken. Chicken is a lean protein that can be prepared in countless ways. Whether it's grilled, roasted, or baked, it's a staple in many healthy diets. 6. Butter. Butter, especially grass-fed, is a source of healthy fats and fat-soluble vitamins like A and E. Use it in moderation to enhance the flavor of your dishes. 7. Beef. Beef, particularly from grass-fed sources, is packed with protein, iron, and B vitamins. It's a satisfying option for a hearty meal. Opt for lean cuts to keep it healthy. 8. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. It's also a fantastic source of protein and vitamin D. Grill it, bake it, or enjoy it raw as sashimi. 9. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a healthy fat that's perfect for cooking at high temperatures. It's also great for adding a tropical flavor to your dishes. Plus, it has antibacterial properties. 10. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which are great for boosting metabolism and overall health. Enjoy a cup daily for a refreshing and healthful beverage. 11. Watermelon. Watermelon is hydrating and low in carbs. It's rich in vitamins A and C and provides a refreshing treat, especially in the summer. Just enjoy it in moderation due to its natural sugar content. 12. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is incredibly versatile and low in carbs. You can use it as a rice substitute, mash it like potatoes, or even make a pizza crust. Plus, it's packed with vitamins and fiber. 13. Blackberries. Blackberries are low in carbs and high in fiber and antioxidants. They make a perfect snack or addition to your breakfast, providing a sweet yet healthy option. 14. Xylitol. Xylitol is a natural sugar substitute that has no carbs. It's great for baking and sweetening your drinks without the sugar spike. Plus, it's good for dental health. 15. Mint. Mint is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's rich in antioxidants and has digestive benefits. Add it to your water, teas, or salads for a fresh and healthy twist. 16. Turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory spice. It contains curcumin, which has numerous health benefits. Use it in your cooking or as a supplement for a health boost. 17. Avocado. Avocado is a nutrient-dense fruit that is low in carbs but high in healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins like potassium and vitamin E. It's perfect for salads, smoothies, or just on its own with a sprinkle of salt. 18. Spinach. Spinach is another leafy green that is low in carbs and high in vitamins and minerals like iron, magnesium, and vitamin K. It's great in salads, smoothies, or lightly sautéed as a side dish. 19. Olives. Olives are a fantastic source of healthy fats and antioxidants. They're low in carbs and perfect for snacking or adding to salads and Mediterranean dishes. 20. Bone broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals, making it excellent for gut health and joint support. It's a nourishing, low-carb option for soups or sipping. Remember, a balanced diet filled with these healthy, no-carb, no-sugar foods can make a world of difference in how you feel. Start incorporating them into your meals today, and your body will thank you. Let's not forget the importance of variety in our diet. Eating a range of different foods ensures we get a broad spectrum of nutrients. So, mix and match these healthy options to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. Meal prepping can also be a game changer. By planning your meals ahead of time, you're more likely to stick to your healthy eating goals and less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks. Here's a tip. Always keep healthy snacks on hand. Nuts, seeds, and fresh veggies are great options to have when you're on the go and need a quick, nutritious snack. And don't forget about hydration. Drinking plenty of water and herbal teas throughout the day keeps you hydrated and helps flush out toxins. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips. Share your favorite healthy food in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.